people think, oh, I can throw a dinner party and I can open a restaurant.
When you eat something, you know, you think about the flavors, but you don't really think about the process to create those flavors.
So it's a really balanced degree between management classes and then the cooking classes.
I started off with the hospitality classes.
You're getting business classes, you're getting cooking classes, you're getting dining room management classes, and then the capstone is the grab and go class and the restaurant class.
We serve it to the public, and this restaurant's called Cafe 91.
And it's a way to provide students real work experience.
How to run a hotline, how to serve people.
All the different aspects of what is required to operate a full-service, sit-down operation.
So this is specialty cakes where we're learning to be more intricate. And now it's like bake a cake and really make it flashy.
Lots of students coming back that have worked in the industry a long time.
I work at the Blue Bayou. And so prior to the Caribbean, I'm a line cook.
But you definitely learn a lot in this program that you can't really learn in the kitchen.
I know how to cook. I want to learn to cook a little bit more.
Because working in a professional kitchen, you only really make a small handful of dishes.
Take things that you learn in culinary school, and if you apply those in a restaurant, I think you can learn a lot.
So as much as you become really good at those, you don't have an expanded flavor palette.
And then I took a world cuisine class.
Philippines. Group 3 has Thailand, we have Vietnam.
This is Vietnamese food, making a lemongrass flavored chicken.
There's a few ingredients I didn't even know really existed before today.
And then you're making Thai mango sticky rice and pad see ew.
So it's so everybody has 4 to 6 different recipes of the signature cuisines from the area.
We have lots of state-of-the-art equipment in here. I mean, they're using mandolins, they're using paella pan, they're using all of the specialty pieces to make the specialty recipes.
Making a banh mi sandwich, you're gonna learn a lot. You're definitely gonna learn a lot.
Is all about flavor profiles. And so part of the class is they get to eat lunch every day, so they're making themselves lunch.
It's super fun, you learn a ton, you get to hang out with people. It's not super high stress like a kitchen would be.
I really enjoy cooking. I love being around food.
I love working in kitchens, I love working on the line.
I've learned how to cook on a more advanced level. I've learned more about the industry.
So to get into those supervisory or managerial roles, they have to have a degree.
It's a good program because after the Culinary Arts program, you can work into Culinary Arts management and then get your degree in that too. Possibly transfer to a university and get a bachelor's in that also.